In this final section, I would like to demonstrate how to achieve a perfect invisible stitch, but also I would like to give you my secret tip for achieving the perfect flat points that will work for any applique, but especially for Hawaiian applique, as you do have lots of points. I prefer to work on the lower edge. In applique, you will always have two cut edges. You'll have a top edge. I class this as my top edge, and I class this as my lower edge. I prefer to pick my fabric up and hold it in my hand so that I'm working on the lower edge, and I will work from the right to the left.